Today I will show you how to easily make Google Earth animation using Filmora 9. For more tutorials, please subscribe the channel and hit the notification button. First, we need a Google Satellite Earth image. So go to Google and search Google Map. Click Google Map. Now click here to turn this 2D map into a satellite map. Take a screenshot here and import it to Filmora. Place Earth image to the timeline. Now double click on it and under the color tab change its color a little. Next go to Effect, click Filters and click Distortion. Now place this fish eye effect to the second layer. Double click on it and change its radius to 0. Click OK. Now double click on the first layer and click Motion tab. Scroll down and double click on the Move to Right animation. Now play it. You can see the effect. It's look like Earth is rotating here. Although the main thing is that the image is going from left to right on the screen, and in the middle we apply fish eye animation, so it looks like spherical Earth is rotating here. Now you can see the animation here. So in this point, cut both the layers and delete the rest. But you can see here is a ring is visible because of using this fish eye effect. Now we have to cover this part using a rectangle shape. To do that, take a default title on the third layer, double click on it, click Advanced, remove the text by clicking the trash icon, click Shape and click a round shape. This is because we have to leave the round earth part in the middle, so we have to use the green skin here. Now remove the text here first and change the color to green. Uncheck the border shape. Now adjust the shape like this by clicking and dragging these points. After adjusting it, click No Animation because we don't need any animation here. Click OK. Now adjust it more to cover the round earth image. Now double click on the text again and in the advanced menu take a black rectangle shape to cover the whole screen. Now place the round rectangle layer under the cycle layer. Click OK. Now take a snapshot and delete the text layer, and now drag down the snapshot into the third layer. Next, double click on the snapshot, click Chroma key, adjust the sliders here for better green screen effect. Click OK. Now you can see the ring is no longer visible. Now export it as Earth rotating animation. Import the video into the project. Now delete all the layers. Now our next task is to make a galaxy moving animation. To do that, download a free galaxy image from the internet. I have already downloaded one for my project. Place it to the timeline. Now I will change the color of the image a little. You can leave it as it is. Now cover the image by stretching these points. You can do it by right click on the image and click on Crop to Fit. Now double click on the image and click Motion tab and click Move to Left animation this time. Play it. Now you can see some portion of the screen is black here as I play the animation. To repair it, just drag the image to make the perfect whole screen animation. Now it's look better. Export it as galaxy moving animation. Import it into the project. Now delete the layer and place the galaxy moving animation video to the first layer and place the earth rotating animation to the second layer. Double click the second layer and click chroma key and change the color to black here. Adjust the sliders for better effects and click OK. Now unlock the first layer and resize the earth like this and place it middle of the screen. Now play the animation. Now I want to slow down the rotation of the earth a little, so right click on the second layer, click speed and duration and type 0.50 and click OK. You can do it according to your need. Next, I have to slow down the motion of the galaxy animation a little, so unlock the first layer, right click on the first layer, click speed and duration and type 0.50, click OK. Now play it. As you can see, at this point the motion of the galaxy is taking a universal speed, so slice the layer here and delete the first part and place the second part here. Now play it again. You can also see at this point in the last part of the animation that the earth is stopping its rotation, so cut both the layers here. At this point delete the rest. Now it's look like a 3D earth is rotating here, but I use a 2D image. You can leave it here or make an extra effort to make more like Google Earth animation. To do that, first double click on the first layer and change it little darker, so this point of the earth looks more brighter, as it's shown that the sun rays is coming from this direction. Now I will make a shades here in this portion of the earth, so click on the second layer, click on effect and drag down the image mask to the second layer. Now adjust the mask in video effects panel. After masking it, play it again. Now it seems the earth has been cut in this part, so I will go to masking part once again and adjust the feather here. Now you can see the shades. But one thing is that galaxy is appearing in this area, which is not acceptable. So to repair this, I will take an extra black circle and will place it between the two layers. So place the default title to the third layer and in advanced menu make a black circle. Now cover the earth image completely and place the text layer between the two layers. Now play it for the last time. It is your final result. If you like this tutorial, please hit the like button and subscribe the channel.